Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we're going to do something slightly different. It's gonna be super ITC instant savings dollar day coupons. If you find this useful or interesting or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. And basically what this is gonna be is super coupons start tomorrow. ITC's going on, instant savings going on, dollar days are going on. And what I've done is I've sorted through all of the deals going on right now, except for super coupons start tomorrow. And I've taken all the dollar deals, $10 and under, and only 30% and over. And I've got those deals for you. So let's go ahead and go through. Hopefully this is useful, but we're gonna go from dollar all the way to less than $10. And I had some fun with this, and hopefully you do find this useful because sometimes it's a little bit difficult to sort through all the minutia. But we'll start off with currently ITC, the 1/4 inch MPT ball foot air chuck, $1.98, 33% off. We have the mini razor blade scraper at $1. Almost 50% off right now in the dollar days. The original Stick Tech 60 foot by 3/4 inch industrial grade electrical tape, $1, 49% off. The ITC paracord 1/8 inch 50 foot with 160 pound capacity at $1.79, 40% off. And then we go to Merlin 1/4 inch industrial plug, your choice of male or female, $1.49, normally $2.50, 40% off. And then the Hallmaster 2-inch rubber swivel caster, $1.96, normally $3, 34% off. And then we got, of course for the tarp bros, the 5 and 6 inch by 7 foot 6 inch all-purpose weather resistant 4 mil tarp, $1.98, 43% off, down from $3.49. Going on to the $2 days, we have Hallmaster square bale PTO lock pin for $2, normally $4, 49% off. The 18-inch long neck funnel for $2, normally $5, 59% off. That is an excellent deal. We'd love to see almost 60% off on something as useful as a long neck funnel. We continue 36-inch pickup and reach tool, $2, 49% off, normally $4. And then ITC original Stick Tech 60 yard by 9.94 inch painter's tape, $2.92, normally $6, 51% off as well. We go on to the $3 days, starting with Warrior stainless steel rotary wire wheel and brush set, 5-piece, $3, normally $6, 49% off. Hallmaster 1,000 pound capacity 1.5 inch by 10 foot ratcheting tie down, $3.98, 43% off. Hercules 80 100 120 grit hook and loop corner detail sanding sheets with ceramic alumina grain, 6-pack, $3.94, normally $8, 50% off. And we have the Central Machinery 6-inch grinding wheel dresser, $3.99, normally $6, 33% off. Storehouse in the house medium water resistant storage container, $3.98, normally $6, 33% off. The 3-inch rubber light duty swivel caster with brake, $3.98, 33% off, normally $6. And then the original Stick Tech 50 yard by 1.88 inch cloth back silver duct tape, $3.49, normally $5, 30% off. And then we go to the, is this the most abundant? This and then the $9 are the most items. So starting with Pittsburgh, lifetime warranty, 6-inch swivel pad C-clamp locking pliers, $4, normally $6, 33% off compared to Tecton. The 5 foot 6 inch by 7 foot 6 inch camouflage all-purpose weather resistant 5 mil tarp, $4, 33% off. The Hallmaster camo diamond braid rope, 3/8 inch by 75 foot with 225 pound capacity, $4, 33% off. We have the Braun 200 lumen LED pen light, $5, normally $8, 37% off. Storehouse 15-inch cable ties, 100 pack, your choice of color, black or white, black is new, 37% off, normally $8. Storehouse nut and bolt assortment, 240 piece, $4.96, 37% off, normally $8. And then we have the Bauer 4.5 inch by 1/16 inch by 7/8 inch type 2742 metal cutoff wheels, 10-pack, $4.96, normally $9, 44% off. The Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch drive star bit socket set 9-piece, $4.49, normally $10, 55% off. Voyager 12-inch tool bag with 21 pockets, $4.99, normally $8, 37% off. And then the Gordon folding lockback utility knife, $4.99, 28% off. And actually, if you haven't gotten your free gift, it's still going on today. You go in and get a nice $5 Gordon folding lockback utility knife for $5, 28% off. Wouldn't be a bad deal. That's the $4 days. Going on to $5 ITC Super Coupon Instant Savings Dollar Days. Hercules, 4.5 inch by 7/8 inch, 36 grit type 29 flap disc with plastic backing and ceramic grain, $5.98, 50% off. Of course, the F16 Slingshot, $5, 49% off, normally $10. The Hercules 6-inch hook and loop multi-hole pattern sanding disc with ceramic alumina-grain 5-pack, $5, normally $8, 37% off. The Pittsburgh 2-pound neon orange dead blow hammer at $6, 40% off, normally $10. Excellent deal. We have the Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 12-inch steel adjustable wrench at $6, 40% off, normally $10. Voyeurs 11-inch tool bag with 3 pockets, $5.98, 40% off, normally $10. Voyeur 3-inch screwdriver bit set, 36-piece at $5.98, 53% off, normally $13. Merlin's air blow gun with extensions, 5-piece, $5.98, normally $9, 33% off. We go to the $6 days, starting with Pittsburgh, an actual dollar days, lifetime warranty ratcheting screwdriver set, 34-piece, $6, normally $10, 39% off. Hardy's goat skin leather writing work gloves at $6.99, normally $10, 30% off. Storehouse watertight heat shrink butt connector assortment, 30-piece, $6.89, normally $10, 31% off. And we have the 11-foot 4-inch by 11-foot 6-inch all-purpose weather-resistant 4mm tarp, $6.96, 30% off. Armstrong 6-foot USB to USB-C braided charging cable, $6.94, 30% off. And then instant savings, SAE and metric long reach hex key set, 36-piece, $6.99, normally $10, 30% off. On to the $7. Only 3 $7. And this Dollar Day one is really good. The One Stop Gardens 27-inch round nose mini shovel with comfort grip handle, $7, normally $12, 41% off. The Armstrong 17-inch to 42-inch swivel tilt TV wall mount, $8, normally $15, 46% off. And the One Stop Gardens 50-foot by 3/4 inch flat seeper soaker hose, $7.98, normally $12, 33% off. On to $8 days, and there's only a couple. We have the Luminar Outdoor 16-foot solar rope light, $8, normally $12, 33% off. And the US General Wire Pliers rack, $8.98, 30% off, normally $13. And then we go to our $9 days, our $10 and under, our under $10. Starting with US General magnetic glove tissue dispenser, now available in 9 colors, including purple, $9.94, normally $15, 33% off. Warriors 3/4 inch to 5-inch carbon steel hole saw set, 18-piece, $9.96, normally $15, 33% off. Honorable mention, because it's close to 30% and it's Icon, there's a 5% buffer for Icon. Icon lifetime guarantee professional scraper at $10, 28% off. Great item to get your free item, only $14. With the Bremen 11-inch swivel pad C-clamp locking pliers, $10, 33% off, normally $15. Hercules 16-inch tool bag with 6 pockets, $9.98, 41% off, only $17. This is better than the bag days they did. And we have Doyle's 12-inch high-performance adjustable wrench, $10, only $15, 33% off. We keep going. We have Hercules 4.5-inch 36T general purpose circular saw blade at $10, only $16, 37% off. The whole industry self-adjusting oil filters pliers, $9.98, only $17, 41% off. One Stop Gardens 56-inch round point shovel at $9.98, only $15, 33% off. And then rounding out the Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch dual drive extendable ratchet, $9.98, normally $18, 44% off. And then the US General magnetic spray can and screwdriver holder, available in 8 colors, $9.98, normally $15, 33% off. And those are the best ITC instant savings super coupon dollar days going on right now, except for the super coupons, which are going on starting tomorrow. Hopefully this is useful or helpful, sorting it out for you like this, but I'll leave it at that, Harbros. There's some really good items, really big discounts, $10 and under. Hopefully that helps you sort through them. But as always, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping, good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.